find that this new skincare set that you bought seems to be irritating your skin, you feel overtly sensitized, even water seems to be irritating your skin, you might have wrecked your skin barrier. First, stop everything that you're using. Next is reduce your skin care to the most important basics: your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. No actives whatsoever, no exfoliants or tyrosinase inhibitors, nothing. Make sure your cleanser and your moisturizer are totally fragrance free. It is also alcohol free. Your skin is currently sensitized right now, and any irritants, even in the minutest form, can actually inflame your skin. So that you need to ensure you're using hydrators and lots of moisturizers. I particularly recommend this La Roche-Posay Cicaplast balm. It contains madecassoside, which is an agent that helps the skin to heal, and it also helps to maintain the barrier, the integrity of your skin barrier. I hope these tips will help you to get your skincare barrier